Whoa! Everyone, come look at this!
Is that a baby panda? He's so tiny!
He must have gotten separated in the storm last night.
Careful, don't scare him.
I think he's shaking.
Where is his mother? Baby pandas should not be alone.
She could still be close by.
Can we help him, please?
Okay, just until we can find her. Then he goes home.
Let's give him some space first. No sudden moves.
It's okay, little guy. We won't hurt you. You're safe with us now.
Look, he's starting to calm down.
There we go. Much better. He needs a name. Rolly. Look how he rolls around. Too easy. What about Milo? Why Milo? I don't know. He looks like a Milo. See? Even he agrees. Milo it is. Oh, it's okay. He's coming to you. He's so fluffy. He's so fluffy. Watch, I bet he'll follow this bamboo stick. He's terrible at walking straight. He's just a baby. Give him time. Did you see that? He's never gonna get it. Come on, the baby panda, catch me! He picked me now! Okay, you win! Wait, I have an idea. Come on, buddy. What are you two doing in there? Presenting the world's tiniest detective! My turn. Hold on. And now, the prettiest panda in the forest. He really doesn't care either way. That's what makes him perfect. I think he trusts us now. Whoa! A real baby panda! Can I hold him? He's so soft. I'm keeping him. Dad! That kid has Milo!
Ben, Dad, go. We'll pack up here.
There they are, up ahead. They're not stopping.
Wait, is this panda yours? He's not really anyone's. He's lost, and we're helping him get home.
I just wanted a friend like him.
You can visit pandas at a reserve anytime. That's even better than owning one. Sorry for the trouble. Safe travels.
You got him back. Should we give him bamboo to eat?
Actually, no. Baby pandas only drink milk from their mother. He can't eat bamboo yet.
Look at him.
Let's look for his mother before we leave. Look, small paw prints in the mud. This way.
These prints look fresh. She might be close.
Shh. Listen. Do you hear that rustling? Milo, wait!
Milo, wait! He's tumbling toward the creek.
He rolled right through, got me again. Wait for us, you little troublemaker. It's okay, Milo. Just a little water. Look! Over there! Milo!
I think that is his mother.
They found each other. He is going home.
His real home.
I will miss him a little too.
Some animals need us for a little while to step back.
Bye, Milo. Be safe. Ben, your eyes look a little wet. Okay, fine. I will miss him. Did you see that? One last tumble, just for us.
All right, one more thing before we go. Ben, Lara, what do pandas mostly
Don't
eat?
tell them yet, Ben.
Type your guess below before Ben spills it.
See you next time.